actual performance of Kubota KH-026. The Kubota KH-026 has a 3-cylinders Kubota diesel engine. This unit is powered with 26 horsepower. This will help you get those projects in no time. This unit has a total of 0.05 cubic meter bucket capacity and can dig up to 3 meters depth. It also has a total weight of 2.7 tons and can dump into many dump trucks. Its current working hours is at 2,567. The Kubota KH-026 has already a built-in breaker line ready to use. Its dozer has a size of 12 inches in length and a width of 57 inches. Watch how it can easily push those sand and rocks. This unit is perfect for personal, business, and construction needs. So what are you waiting for? Visit our official website found in the description below and call us so we can help you get the best equipment for your construction needs.